Welcome to Unknown, the place where egos end, and lults begin. Thank you for joining us. To see recent activity, click recent posts, or overboard. We have an increasing range of boards to choose from. To start a thread, choose a board. No registration is needed. Fill in the subject field with your new thread subject, and fill in the comment field with what you want to share. Both fields are required. Then, optionally, upload an image. Or, embed a link in the embed field. If you wish to hide your image with a spoiler image, click the spoiler image box. Click New Thread to post. Congratulations, you have now made a post as unknown. Every user can only post as unknown. This is to protect anonymity and to prevent egos. To comment on an existing thread, click the reply button. For any further questions, please take a look at our frequently asked questions section. We do not censor anything, except things like child pornography. Other than that, just do as you please and have some fun. May the lults be with you.
Unknown is not a movement. It is not even an idea. It is simply the principle of anonymity. It is the lack of identification. Unknown is the mysterious and the obscure. Unknown are the lies never exposed, and the truths never told. Unknown are the criminals never caught, and the saints never noticed. Unknown has no identities to get divided. It has no reputation to uphold, and no egos leading to fame whores. We hope you enjoy Unknown.